So, you're already putting out content, but who's reading them? If you're struggling to get eyeballs to your content, then you owe it to yourself to see this. Here's how you can leverage your existing content to get more visitors, attract more leads, and close more sales. With your permission, I am announcing Content Syndication Videos. This is a set of 40 on-screen, easy-to-follow video tutorials on how to market and publish your content expertly. If you're already creating content, then naturally the next step is to get this in front of as many eyeballs as possible. Not just anyone, but people who are already looking for your information. And what makes this different? I'll be showing you over 9 totally unique ways to get the same content out to hundreds or thousands of targeted views. That builds you up to be an authority figure in your niche. The internet is full of Me Too marketers, and what makes this frustrating is that even if you're a genuine expert, it's not a guarantee you'll be successful with marketing yourself. Content syndication videos solve that problem. I've broken down complex processes and kept it short, simple, and direct. No BS, no beating around the bush. As long as you can follow instructions, this will work for you. Plus, when you master the content, you've got a strong foundation which you can then build on top of over and over and over again and even teach others. How do you build a 40-story building? By building a 40-story strong foundation. These 40 training videos are the cornerstone of every expert-level foundation. The difference between good content and positive ROI content is knowing how to market and publish them. Content that is just sitting there is as good as yesterday's news. With content syndication videos, you'll learn how to market and publish your content to generate traffic and leads that eventually turn into sales. If you can follow simple mouse clicks, you're well on your journey to raise your standards. Stay ahead of the pack and get an unfair advantage. Act now and get instant access.